Okay, let's take a start with speaking part 2. Describe a long walk you ever had. Now, this is going to be the past walking experience you had somewhere. So, please, you can start.
This happened when we were going to Hyderabad for making celebration. We were three boys on the bike. So in the way, the bike got punctured. So it was scary and lonely night because there was no hustle and bustle on the road, and it frightened us because we were not able to see people after us, and we were on the scary night, scary road. There was no any person behind us or after us. After, so we were just sharing our experience that we had experienced in our past. So we covered a distance of almost 20 kilometers by dragging the bike with us, and it was very frustrated experience for all of us.
All right, 57 seconds. So, try to elaborate a little more, add some more, and it's going to be fine. There were a few grammatical errors, but overall, you spoke well.
Yes.
But I want you to speak until you are interrupted by
Yes.
the examiner to stop. Now, let's go on. Speaking part 3. What outdoor activities do people like in your country?
In my country, most of the people used to walk or run
Most
in
of the people usually walk.
most of the people usually walk or run in the park because there is no investment on it. After the COVID-19 lockdowns, so most of the people usually start cycling, and some of the people are very conscious about their fitness, so they used to work on it.
Okay. Is free time important for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is free time important for everyone?
Yes, it is important for everyone to make themselves comfortable, because after having a heavy, busy and hectic day, you should people should have some rest time to make themselves comfortable.
To make themselves
To make
comfortable.
themselves comfortable. So in this, when they are comfortable, so their mind can run smoothly and they can focus on their goals.
All right, this is good. Overall, it's very good. Keep it up.
Yes,
And try to focus the questions and answer accordingly and practice a little more
Yes,
so
sir.
that you become more fluent. And focus your pronunciation
Yes,
as
sir.
well through IELTS listening.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.